So you clicked on this video maybe because iniisip mo na gusto mong magkaroon ng signature scent. Pero paano nga ba pumili ng best para sa'yo? Yung pagkakaroon ng signature scent is a great way to express your personality and make a good lasting impression to those around you. Pero sa dami ng pagpipilian mo, how do you know which one is right for you? Hey guys, my name is Greg, and if you like contents about fragrance, men's skincare, men's clothing, and other self-development content, make sure you subscribe to this channel. First is consider your lifestyle. When it comes to choosing your scent, I believe you need to consider your lifestyle. Taking into account factors like your daily activities, preferences, and environment, mas madali mo malalaman yung scent para sa'yo. For example, if you work in a corporate setting, lagi kang nasa office, maybe go for something fresh and inoffensive with some touch of citruses, greens, woods, or even soft florals. Something like Pradalone, for example, or Salvatore Ferragamo, magagandang options yan. And kung lagi kang nasa labas and you're more of an active person, pwede ka sa mga fresh, citrusy, aquatic scents, especially here in the Philippines. Something like Chanel Allure Homme Sport or Bleu de Chanel are great options. Spend time with it. Kailangan mong bigyan ng oras yung perfume mo to see if it works with your skin's chemistry. We all know na nag-iiba ng konti yung scent once it mixes with our skin. Minsan naman, pag sa paper, parang hindi mo gusto, tapos sa skin gusto mo pala, and vice versa. Yung iba naman sa umpisa, sakto lang siya sa'yo, pero unti-unti nagugustuhan mo siya. For example, in my case, the first time na na-try ko si Lano with the Loaf, sakto lang siya sa akin eh. Okay lang siya sa akin. But it grew on me, unti-unti ko siyang nagustuhan. Kaya talagang naging one of my favorite scents na itong Alano with the Loaf. So bigyan nyo ng enough time yung perfume. So better na bumili ka ng mga decants like 5 ml, 10 ml para talagang matest mo siya on full experience. Next is understanding fragrance families. The major fragrance families are fresh, floral, woody, and oriental. These families are like genre in music. Of course, sa music, we have rock, R&B, jazz, hip-hop, and same concept applies in fragrances. May nakilala akong lalaki na nakatrabaho ko sa paggawa ko ng video with Luxodor. If you're following me on Instagram, nakita nyo yan. Nag-assist siya dun sa kaibigan ko na videographer para nga dun sa project ko with Luxodor. I believe teenager to nasa, 18, 19 years old, which happened to be a subscriber in my channel. Ang ginawa ko after namin mag-shoot is, pinapili ko sila dun sa mga perfumes na yun from Luxodor, and then kung ano yung mapili nila, binigay ko na sa kanila. And I was surprised by the choices nitong lalaki na to because yung choice of scent niya is on the darker side, like oud, woody, spicy fragrance, parang ganyan. I forgot the scent pero yung medyo woody na may oud yung pinili niya eh. Although I believe, based sa kwento niya, na medyo bago lang din siya sa fragrances. Which means, ganun yung genre of scent niya. Parang so to speak, nandun siya sa woody family. So yes, iba-iba yung tipo natin when it comes to fragrances. You gotta understand kung nasa ang fragrance family yung type mo, yung type ng ilong mo, at na-enjoy mo. With that, mas madali mong ma-filter kung ano yung mga type of scents na pagpipilian mo. Next is consider the longevity and oil concentration. Of course, gusto natin yung perfume natin will perform, long-lasting, projecting, that confidence na alam mong mabango ka. So we get frustrated kapag yung perfume natin hindi mo siya ma-detect. Part of it is still your skin's chemistry, yung iba naman acidic. Ito actually yung common case na nakikita ko from other frag heads where most people say na itong perfume mo to, beast mode siya, alam mo yung pero padaling sa kanya, hindi naglalast, hindi nagpe-perform. Experiment on different concentrations, especially kung available naman EDT, EDP, Parfume. If this fragrance is in EDT concentration and hindi siya naglalast on you, maybe you can go for EDP. However though, as the concentration goes up, prices go higher as well, so just take note of that. But generally, as the concentration goes up, mas nagiging long-lasting siya on skin. Next is to consider the skin's chemistry. This is the time to see if the fragrance will last on you, if maganda ba yung scent niya sa balat mo. Kagaya na sabi ko kanina, we all know na nagbabago yung scent once it mixes with our skin. There will be fragrances that smells better than other people kaysa sa'yo, and vice versa. One major example is Zara Vibrant Leather. For most people, hindi ito long-lasting. Actually, in general, hindi talaga siya long-lasting. Relatively, medyo weak siya in terms of performance. Pero it was my most complimented fragrance back in 2019 pre-pandemic. I get compliments almost every day from workmates na nakakatabi ko, nakakasalubong ko. But for most people, it doesn't work. For most people, parang saglit lang sa balat nila, hindi masyadong projecting. Iba naman, sakto lang. But again, for me, it works really, really well. Another example is Armani Code Profumo. Yes, long-lasting siya on my skin because it's parfum concentration. But the scent on my skin is hindi ko masyadong gusto. So again, maganda talaga kung matry mo mismo yung perfume, try decants, ganyan. You can also ask other people, yung mga talagang close mo, kung naamoy ka nila, anong masasabi nila tungkol sa perfume mo para may idea ka din. Next is try layering. I don't have much experience sa layering. Kukunti lang din talaga kasi yung mga na-try kong i-layer. Pero layering is a nice way to create a different scent. And for you to do that, let me share with you this table of the notes that smell better together O pwede nyo itong screenshot or you can just Google it up. Pwede naman, marami yan sa Google. So there you can see kung ano yung mga okay na pinagsasamang scents if you wanna layer them. Now, in my experience, it is better to layer perfumes that are linear instead of perfumes na medyo may noticeable scent development. For example, Dior Sauvage, it's a multi-dimensional fragrance, multifaceted, it's citrusy, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's woody, it's musky. Marami kang makukuha out of that fragrance. So for me lang, medyo mahirap i-layer with other fragrances. Unlike, for example, if I layer Royal Night from Woods collection, I think, and Ministry of Oud Satin Oud. By the way, si Royal Night is a clone of Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomade. So if you don't know how it smells, basically oud siya with some sweetness from the lychee, I think. And Oud Satin Mood is a clone of MFK Oud Satin Mood. This copy kasi is more on the lychee talaga siya. So medyo fruity sweet siya eh. When I mix this together, ang ganda ng blend niya sa isa't isa. Kung ano yung heavier scent, yun ang nauuna. And just let it rest for a bit. Yung scent nito ay napakaganda ng blend in my experience kasi this one na medyo fruity, sweet, becomes deeper, becomes darker, nagkaroon siya ng solid base. This one naman mas naging lighter siya kasi ito is on the darker side, although still very nice, very elegant, pero mas nagkaroon siya ng konting brightness because of this na medyo, yun nga, medyo fruity. Speaking of your own scent, next is it has to be unique. If you want to smell good, you want Sauvage, Bleu de Chanel, Eros, ganyan, no problem. Go for it. But if you want a signature scent na pag naamoy ng iba, alam na ikaw yon at wala kang masyadong kaparehas. You want something a little bit unique to pique their interest and some mystery to your scent. Siguro I'll try a list of signature-worthy fragrances following this video if you want my recommendation. Next is you have to enjoy the scent. You have to love it. Dapat na-enjoy mo siyang gamitin. Hindi dahil popular siya, pero di mo naman na-enjoy. It has to be somewhat your favorite scent that gives you confidence, puts you in a positive mood, ganyan. Out of all the considerations in this list, ito yung hindi dapat mo hawala when you choose your signature scent. You gotta enjoy it. You gotta love it. So if you think this video is helpful, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos. With that, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.